really easy way to do it, and it all starts with a new app that is out. It lets you build an emergency reserve, invest money for mid and long-term goals, and save for your retirement for as little as $20 a week. Carlos Garcia, who is the CEO and founder of Finhabits, is joining us now to explain. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
I know specifically you are targeting minorities and helping them when it comes to saving for a lot of the things that we just mentioned. What do you want them to know, and how does this help with them planning for their future?
You know, the U.S. has experienced 10 years of economic growth cycle, but minorities are not benefiting from it. In fact, about 38% of non-white workers are not participating in an employer-sponsored retirement plan. So I want to make sure that the minority worker has access to a high-quality financial service, but I also want to make sure that they can improve their financial habits over time.
So where did this app come to you? Why did you decide to start this, and how does the app work?
It's a personal story, and perhaps some of the people watching will relate to it. You know, I grew up in a border town in Texas. And when I graduated from college, I started working in a large financial company, and they were offering me this 401k, but I've never heard what the 401k was. We didn't speak about retirement planning at home, and I didn't take advantage of that 401k. I didn't sign up for it. It wasn't until a few years later that I realized that I had missed a huge opportunity to start compounding wealth. So I wanted to make sure that people like me don't have the same problem, and even people like me that have access to a retirement plan, they have enough information and enough education to take advantage of these services. So that's why I started Finhabits. Super easy. First, you download the app, select the goal, and then finally you decide how much you want to contribute per week. You can decide to start with $20 a week, and that's how the app works.
And it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. We were getting some video right there of exactly what it looks like. Where should we go for more information if we're interested?
You can download the app. If you haven't done so, you can do it in the Google Play or you can do it in the App Store. It takes about 7 minutes to start your account. And then if you want to know more information about our company, you can go to finhabits.com.
Wonderful. Helping so many people. Carlos, thank you this morning.
Thank you very much, Heather.